Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days today. Just a little bit about foraging. It's not exactly foraging in the woods, but I'm foraging in my yard. So today we were doing the Back to Eden. We were planting our tomatoes and some basil, and while I was weeding and trying to get all the weeds out of that garden, we had collards and we needed to pull them up because they were going to seed. So here is a big pile of collards. I fed what was left over, the stems and a few little leaves and bad leaves, to the rabbits. But I'm going to be cooking collards in a little while, so today we will have collards. The strawberries are starting to make, I know, 4 strawberries. That's not a lot, but they're starting. So over the next few weeks, we will have a few strawberries along. I went out to the pots that we have by the barn. I have romaine lettuce. It is going to bolt soon, so I have to eat lettuce every day in order to finish out my lettuce, and that's something I like. In order to have a salad, I went and got some green onions and some garlic chives. Right now, our tomatoes in the greenhouse are not turning fast enough that I get a tomato every day, but over the next 2 to 3 weeks, if it doesn't get too hot, we should start having tomatoes to go with this. So right now it's romaine lettuce, garlic chives, and green onions. And I went to plant a little small tree, and it was where my ginger was. So I pulled up a big blob of ginger and I replanted beside where I was putting the tree one piece of the ginger. But do you see the pieces that I have? This is some nice ginger. So I can have ginger tea for a while. I also have mint, and I haven't been out to get my mint yet because I want it fresh when I make the tea. So ginger tea, salad, and for supper we probably will have collards and a strawberry just for a little sweet. Thank you guys from Crazy Days. Look what I found today in today's foraging. Told you the mulberries were fixing to be ripe. There's some off and on throughout this tree, and we're fixing to start foraging mulberries sooner than I thought.